Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix Bluetooth not connecting problem in your Oppo smartphone. So let's fix it. So friends, sometimes your Bluetooth is not working and not connecting to your device. So it is not always the only phone's problem. It is sometimes the speaker, what device you are connecting also, that have a problem also. So friends, here it is the available device it is searching for. You have to just refresh it for here for the available device, and you have to reset your, if you are connecting your earbuds or speaker or anything, you have to reset first them if it is connected to another device, or is there any pairing issue in there. So you have to reset this phone also and your Bluetooth speaker or whatever you are connecting. So how you can connect this? So first let's reset this Bluetooth. So first you have to click on reset, type here and click on reset phone. Here it is reset Bluetooth. Now you have to just uh, click on reset, and now you can see the Bluetooth settings has been reset successfully, and now your Bluetooth will be working. If not, you have to restart your device, your phone and your device also. Thanks for watching.